Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a team to manage in Asana.com. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. On your Asana homepage, you will see in the left side menu, My Workspace. Just simply click on it and then click View Team Page. If you want to add a member, you can click on this Add Member button and write down their email, and you can select which projects do you want them to involve and click Send. And then by clicking Manage Members, you can arrange team members here. And that's how to set up a team to manage in Asana.com. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others find this video. Thank you for watching.